Guys, it's me, Airsoft Scared 360. I got another painting tutorial for you today, and today it's going to be how to paint your airsoft rifle stock. I have my AGM VSR 10. It's how to paint your airsoft stock desert camo. Now, my M24 was just painted, and it has turned out fabulous. So I'll just let you guys see that. You probably can't see it too well, but there it is. I'll probably get some brightness increase on that, but so the colors you're gonna need: Krylon camouflage flat tan, Rust-Oleum camouflage flat black, Rust-Oleum camouflage flat brown, and you don't need it, but it's good if you have it. Rust-Oleum camouflage flat olive drab. So what you're gonna do first is you're going to give it the stock a nice base coat of the tan. It doesn't have to be a lot of paint. No, it should not be a lot of paint. Just enough so it's a nice even coat. And then what you're going to do, I have a pine here. My fingernail's black because painted. Anyway, you're going to get a piece of pine or a twig. I just think the pine looks way better. And you're just gonna lay it down and spray it like so. This can be with this can be with the brown, the black, or the OD. We're gonna do 3 of the browns, 2 of the blacks, and 2 ODs, and in different spots. And we're just gonna get it like so. Not a whole lot of paint, but enough where you can tell the difference that it's brown and tan. One right up here. And one right here. Okay. This is what we have right now. And we'll let that dry, and for the next step. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do basically the same thing with the brown, with the black. Rust-Oleum camouflage after the brown has dried. And I'm just going to pick up a different piece of pine, one that has a little bit more leaves on it, but it's a little bit smaller. And just gonna pretty much do the same thing. How about do one right here? Right about here. And just get this. Some right here. Don't get a lot of paint on here, or else it will run and turn out bad. So you got that. Just like this. Right there. And get one more. Gun. Just like this. Just like that. And that was with the black. Get some more light. Again, if you saw my last video, it's been very, very windy. So then, since I'm not going to make a whole new step, we're just going to do the same thing with the green. And just I happen to find the design way more attractive. I'm gonna get my army stencil here and just do a little bit of this. Just go, to get them, just go to Google and jot down some ideas, some random lines, and you'll probably get something good. That's kind of what I did. So, just like this. And maybe not put the whole thing on it, but some. Okay. Not too many of them. And then take the pine again and do an OD. Now you don't have to have the OD, but it's nice when you do. Because there's still cactuses in the desert. And so this is what we have right now. It's looking pretty nice, I think, for desert, even though I live nowhere freaking near a desert. So now we'll do the last step. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to, see what this is, the black, and we're going to dust it. Maybe, oh damn it, the can's leaking again. Hold up. Here, let me give you just a view of it. Yeah, figure this out. Turn on some. Alright, I'm back. And then just far away. Not a lot. So, and then just go back to the tan and dust it so it has less uniform and a bit more value. And then that's about it. And then you let that dry. And then, once open up garage door, you have your finished product. This one is a little bit easier because it doesn't have to be totally good. But, there's my dog. So, yeah, there it is. Take it out here. Right over here, the closest, so it's dirt. Just like this. Shit, yes. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. So, that's how you paint your airsoft gun, desert camo. Yeah. Using Rust-Oleum and Krylon paints. I'll catch you next time so we can do a fall camo, which will probably be sometime 2 weeks from now. So I'll catch you guys later. Check out some videos, subscribe if you want to. It's your choice. So I'll check you guys later. Airsoft Skater 360 signing out. Thanks for watching.